Oh my God, bro.
Gonzo. He may be gone.
Yeah, he's gone. Look at this shit, bro. You don't miss an interception, bro. That's just bullshit. Yeah, that's just bullshit. Get the fuck out of here.
There is nothing about this whole scenario that doesn't make me so disgusted I want to violently vomit out my own internal organs.
Here, bro. Oh my God, son. Woosah. Patience. Patience. I need some patience here. This is the biggest crock of bullshit I've seen in a while, bro. I'm good, bro. Good game, bro.